If you haven't been paying attention, I've been having trouble with this circular saw that I got from my dad. Future me just wanting to chime in. Forgot to mention what this is all about. Okay, so this is a powerful tool. The motor in this is 15 years old. Obviously, we've come a long way when it comes to motor efficiency and stuff like that, when it comes to our portable electronics and tools. Okay, this requires a lot of inrush current, basically getting it started. A lot of electronics are like that. Okay, the unfortunate part of just the design, nothing really to do about it, of these 1.5 amp hour batteries is that they can only discharge so quickly. That discharge is not enough to get this started, as you saw at the beginning, where I demonstrated, where the saw literally stopped. It is what it is. Okay, so now you're thinking, a bigger battery shouldn't necessarily fix this, because a bigger battery is just a bigger battery. It just has more juice in it. It doesn't necessarily produce more power. But just the internal design of the bigger amp hour batteries does allow the battery to come over internal resistance to discharge a bit more to let the motor get started. And thus you have a nice, smooth, buttery cut. A new blade doesn't help. It doesn't hurt either. But as you'll see in the video, the new blade definitely does not hurt. Okay, back to the feature presentation. If you don't know, my dad recently passed away, and ironically, I had bought this for him about 15 years ago, and my mom gave it to me. Now, it's seen better days. The blade's definitely got its money worth out of it, and I don't have any of the 18-volt batteries anymore. So, what I did was pick up an adapter off Amazon, just a cheap knockoff DeWalt, to convert this to use DeWalt's current line of 20-volt batteries. Well, I ran into a problem, and let me show you what happened. Okay, I'm going to do a series of 4 cuts. 2 with the 1.5 amp hour battery, and 2 with the 4 amp hour battery. 4 amp hour battery. As well as with the original blade and the new blade I got. So, 1.5 amp hour battery, old blade. Four amp hour battery. I'm going to change blade now. 1.5 amp hour battery, brand new blade. Four amp hour battery, new blade. That was like butter. Okay. Got any comments? I think it's safe to say that that 4 amp hour battery even made that old blade useful if that's all you had. But the combination of the new blade and the new battery, 10,000 times better.